Welcome back to a new portrait in our garden. Today we focus on a bloom that captures the very essence of spring optimism, the yellow tulip. In the waking landscape, these are not merely flowers, they are the garden's own lanterns, glowing with a warmth that seems to come from within. They don't just reflect the morning sun, they amplify it. Welcome to Garden Portraits. Observe the purity of their hue. In the first days of their bloom, these tulips stand as beacons of solid gold. But look closer when the light hits the petals just right. They take on a shimmering quality, like liquid diamonds. They are masters of light, opening wide to drink in the midday warmth and gently closing their petals as the cool of evening descends. As the season matures, the yellow tulip begins a subtle poetic transformation. The solid gold softens, and at the very edges of the petals, a delicate pink blush begins to appear. It is a touch of rose, a tender farewell to the spring sun, proving that true beauty often reveals its most intricate details in the moment of change. To bring this golden glow to your own sanctuary, remember that the story begins in the silence of autumn. These tulips ask for a well-drained cradle and a place where the sun can reach them freely. They are patient souls, spending the long winter in the dark earth, gathering the strength to burst forth as the first true heralds of the warm days ahead. After their golden performance is over, offer them a moment of gratitude. Do not rush to remove their fading leaves. Let them yellow naturally, allowing the bulb to reclaim its energy for the next spring. In return for this small act of patience, they will return year after year, lighting up your garden with their reliable, sun-drenched presence. In the end, the yellow tulip is more than just a seasonal bloom. It is a fleeting masterpiece of light and resilience. A reminder that even the simplest flower can hold the brilliance of a diamond and the softness of a rose. Thank you for spending these few minutes in the garden with me, admiring this radiant portrait.